what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be replacing this battery on this watch with this tool. If you want to check out this awesome tool, just check out the links down in the description below. And I'll also leave links to some awesome batteries that you can find online for dirt cheap. I actually bought a 3-pack. Here's the one I'm going to be putting into the back of this Citizen watch. So the way this thing works is you just swivel this little wheel to adjust the little arms inward or outward. All right, so I have it on each of the notches on the left and right hand side, as you can see right there. And I'm just going to hold it firmly and press down onto the back of the watch and turn counterclockwise slowly. And you can see it is loosening it up. Once you have it loose, you can actually use your hand and then just twist it off. All right, so I've got the back off. Don't forget about the gasket if there's one on your watch cover there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And then there is our battery. And as you can see, the second hand is not going around anymore because the battery's dead. All right, so I went and popped out that old battery that was right where that little circle piece is at. I just used a little flathead screwdriver to pop it out. All right, so new battery is popped in, as you can see right over here. So far, everything's been really easy. All I had to do is use this watch tool to remove the back plate of the watch and pop out the battery with a small flathead screwdriver, replace the battery with a brand new one, and put it right back in there face down. Then this watch actually has a plastic retainer that had to stick back in and it just snaps right into place. All right, I have the gasket seal situated nicely around the little groove. So the easiest thing I found is once you have the gasket on there, if you do have one on your watch, the easiest thing is just to hand tighten it first, just like that. So after I hand tighten it, I also will use my nail and just keep grabbing it until it gets really tight. So right there is really tight. Then you can go ahead and snug it down with your tool. But I like to go out a little bit and then come in. Like I said before, when you spin this thing away from you like this, it actually opens it up. And when you bring it back towards you, it tightens it up. So just get as close as you can on those two notches. So when I spin it away from me, it's gonna open up. And I have it right there where I want it at, right there. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and hold it firmly down and then just tighten it the rest of the way down. So now I'm into this bottom notch right here and this top notch, and I'm just gonna hold it down and give it one more little turn, just like that. And it stops right there. So that is good. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.